So I have a number of well-to-do patients who, I'll use one example, and he's a financial advisor, and he's been telling his clients for the last 2 years, get liquidity, get money in your mattress because I knew that this was going to happen. And you mentioned when we started that banks right now are a whole lot different than they were in 2008.
And even though you'll have to owe taxes on that money, you have 3 years to pay those taxes and 3 years to do what?
Should somebody say, oh boy, I got $2 million, I think I'm going to put it under my mattress because who knows what's going to happen?
So maybe he's smart enough to have you as his doctor, but he's not giving, in my opinion, very intelligent financial advice on any level. And why is that? Do you know that your insurance companies only insure cash in your home or anywhere that you have it